To access the MES feature, begin by navigating to the Configuration Machine menu. Then, using the left panel, navigate to the Communication page. Next, create an MES interface by clicking on Select Interface to add, then MES. Then, click on the Configuration tab. Click the Import button to import an MES protocol. Select a protocol file from the File Explorer and click Open. The imported protocol will be available in the MES protocol drop-down list. Selecting it will load all necessary configuration options and available messages. Next, click on the Connection tab. This tab contains all of the connection settings required to connect to an MES server, as well as the option to connect to the server on PathMaster X startup. All available MES messages are listed in the drop-down menu under the Testing pane. Individual messages can be tested using this interface by setting required input values, then clicking Execute. Messages that have been sent and received can be viewed by clicking on the MES Log tab in the MES Data pane, as well as the MES Log tab under the Messages header menu. Non-printable characters such as carriage return, start of transmission, and end of transmission that are contained in messages can be displayed in the log in one of three ways and can be accessed under the Information button. These options include text abbreviation, hexadecimal, and none. The Function Viewer tab will display the code of the selected MES message. The button to clear the log is also located under the Information button. To enable MES in an existing process, drag the process steps from the Process toolbox into the appropriate process lanes. In this example, the PVA build request message only requires one input, a scanned barcode, usually from the part that is currently being processed. The PVA build complete message requires three inputs: the scanned barcode from earlier, the cycle time of the program, and the result of the dispense. All of these inputs come from system, device, or process shared values. To link input data, open the Step Settings menu, then click on the Advanced button in the process step. Output from MES messages can also be used in other parts of the process. In this example, the output from the PVA Build a Request message can be used as the input for a conditional lane, determining whether or not the program should be run. MES messages can also be used in triggers. Start by creating a new trigger. Then, set the trigger condition. And finally, add the MES message to the trigger lane.